Okay, we'll start with the mustard R43. This is a size 14 I've got in here, not a 12. I've just run out of packets of them. 14/0 sheer brown. So we just attach this. Go a wee ways back. Remove that. I've got 3 moose hairs, 2 black, 1 brown. We'll just tack these in. I'll go forward firstly, over the ends, and then we'll go back. We want a very slender body on this fluttering stone. That'll do us there. Then we can go forward again. I'll just flatten my thread out. Tighten up the turns as you come forward just to give it a little bit of a taper. And we go forward. And we want to keep all our 3 hairs parallel. Let's get this vise in the right position so I see what I'm doing. Push that. There we go. It's important, if you want the quill effect, that you keep them parallel and go up the body. The good thing about using moose mane instead of peacock quill is you can make much larger bodies with the moose mane and still get a very good effect, and it's very robust. And we go forward to that, then we can tie that off. And we'll come in front to lock it down. Remove those. And then we want to just go back a little ways to there. Then what I've got is a very fine piece of synthetic raffia, clear. So we just lock that in there. And once you've gone round once, lock it off around the hook shank like that, and then it won't move around. And go over there. Lock it off again, and in between again, and lock it off. Then we want a raffia that's a little broader than the back wings. And we can just lift this up and position it again. It wants to be almost on top of the first wings. Lock that off again, then we can go through and down, lock it off. Excellent, that's looking very good. The broader wings want to be pointing slightly forward and the thinner wings pointing slightly back. Now I've got 2 black moose body hairs, very fine points on these, and again quite robust. So we want to tie these in. I pull all the wings back for this, get them out of the way. I just tie this in with 1 turn just to secure them and see if they're correct. Yeah, those will do me just fine. And then what we'll do is we just go forward to the hook eye, like so. Then we can bend the ends back, make a couple of turns back, and then we can remove those. Careful you don't cut the points off. And we can take our dubbing needle and bend them, fold them over so they go forward. Sort my thread out. Keep them both on top, behind the eye. That's good. And then we can go back to here. Spin our thread anti-clockwise split our tying thread, do is open that up, and then I've loaded the micro clip with one natural beige CDC hackle. So we want to put this in quite high up. What we'll do is that, catch that in, and then we'll just spin our bobbin clockwise. We'll spin that up like so. Then we'll move our thread backwards behind the wings, and we want to make 2 little turns behind the wings, 1 in between, and then we'll bring the rest of the spun to the CDC forward, and we'll finish off behind that hook eye, and then we'll just make a couple of whip finishes. Remove the tying thread, bring the wings forward, take the back wings. Best if I do it upside down, I can see the length then. Take the back wings, these want to be a little shorter than the rear wings, than the forward wings, sorry. Excellent. Then we'll pull these forward together, flattening them out, and we'll trim those off a little larger, like so. And then what we want to do is just round the tips off. We go underneath and we trim off all the long ones. And that is the finished fluttering stone. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and as usual, thanks for watching.